Hi there, I'm Eva from EnglishWithEva.com, and today we're going to learn lesson 2 together. It's a beautiful sunny day outside, so we can start right away. You know all the instructions from lesson 1, so we can get right to the vocabulary. 3,000 words, lesson 2. Eye. Your eyes are beautiful. Museum. I have been to the museum twice. Victory. I'll bet on his victory. Castle. The castle is not for sale. Front. Lock the front door. Lease. I will sign the lease agreement. Pull. I pulled a muscle. Underground. He built an underground bunker. Author. Who is your favorite author? Install. Installation. They are going to install new software. Who? Who do you think you are? Complain. Complain about. She complained about her husband. Complaint. No more complaints. Intersection. Crossroads. Turn right at the intersection. Manual. Have you read the manual? Cover. It won't cover all costs. Law. Lawyer. We must keep law and order. Pure. We have used pure iron. Visual. The movie has great visual effects. Corner. Peter lives round the corner. Afford. I can't afford to travel. Project. When will you finish the project? Wine. Would you like some wine? Mood. Petra was in a good mood. Head. He is the head of the department. Discount. We are not giving you any discount. Well. He is doing well. Skill. Skillful. We need skillful people. Engine. Motor. The engine has a lot of power. Hot. It is very hot today.